Good morning, guys. Inniki oracle message. Today's oracle message. Let us see what is the message for you. What does the universal law tell? Because all these 108 cards are complete universal laws. As far as I know, I have made it into cards. So every day, let us see one universal law. Okay. So let us see what universal law has come today. Actually, the law which we are going to see today is law of one. The Lord is one. All that is His, of self, of the universe, of the activities in the earth. Life itself is consciousness, the awareness of that oneness, of that universal consciousness in the earth. Okay, so actually, I've already posted a big video telling law of divine oneness. That same concept here also. So, what they are coming to tell is the ultimate divine supreme resides within all of us, not only living beings, even in the non-living things. The ultimate divine supreme's presence is us pure consciousness. Okay, so it is only that we have the sixth sense to feel that. Those things, animals as well as non-living things, do not have that sixth sense to feel that. Okay, but animals have that emotional integrity. Even sometimes they also sense this pure consciousness. Okay, so law of oneness states that ultimate divine supreme had so many wishes. He wanted to live that in physicality. He wanted to experience that in physicality, experience and enjoy that, and have that delightfulness. And then, after enjoying, experiencing, getting satisfied, emotionally content, and lived his complete ultimate soul fulfillment, then he wants to go back to his origin. So, this is what is the concept. So, in order to experience that in physicality, he created from universe to earthly beings, including human beings. Okay, so that process is that Big Bang theory. So that divine who is present within the darkness, the ultimate divine supreme, Sunya, we call, who's that light which is present in the Sunya, created the universe itself. Okay, from that universe he created Earth, obviously. So in earth, all the beings which is present in the earth is being, all the physical mass which is present on the earth is being created by the creator. So the creator put all his pure consciousness in every particle he created, everything he created. We submit ourselves to the divine supreme, we submit ourselves, we surrender ourselves to the universe, we surrender ourselves to the higher self. All these places divine supreme is there, one ultimate being. So at last final, what we have to understand is the energy, divine spiritual energy which is being present in all the physical mass as pure consciousness is just nothing other than divine supreme himself. Okay, so we are all spiritual beings having, spiritual beings having physical experience in this physical body, in this physical realm. That is the truth. That is what they are telling in law of oneness. So the essence within us is the spirit which is divine supreme himself. Okay.